shenanigans. We're going to be repairing some of these pieces. PATRIKIOS has already started on the 350Z/240 gauge cluster for the center of the dashboard. They're just doing something slight, not playing. No, we are actually just fixing these up because there are a few cracks and a few dents from transportation or lack thereof perfections, which is what we excel at.
Let's get to work. All right, got these cleaned out best we could. So now I gotta touch up this area, fill that in here, down here, and right in this corner. Take minor Bondo, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. When I got some high build filler primer, so it'll help fill whatever small holes that's left over. All right, so I got my little belt sander, Central Pneumatic from the Harbor Freight. I'm gonna go to use this and scuff up the areas that I'm hitting. Make sure I got good contact with the Bondo when I apply it. So I have no mixing board, but got a plastic clipboard, laminating sheet. Should be just fine. Nice and smooth. Let's get to mixing, Bondoing, make some lunch. So everything that needed Bondo has it on there. Don't know if this is the first of 1, 2, 3, how many of the coats. Let it go and dry, cure, whatever you want to call it, and come back and start hitting it with sandpaper. Alright, so it's 2 days later. I got stuff Bondoed, sanded, first coat of primer. Leaving it overnight. I set it up so you guys can see, if you don't know a 240, what it's gonna look like. Just regular cluster. This made for a turbo timer, customized. Then where the radio used to go, there's gonna be 2 gauges. The radio's going up, and a 350Z bezel with 3 other gauges, and 350Z shifter console with center console. So it's the whole modification. Got a lot more work to do. So there y'all have it. All right, that's it for this video. Till we come back with the acrylic. It's gonna take me a while to pick it up. Appreciate y'all watching as always.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot, I get off to the